So my name is Vincent Michel. I'm from Switzerland. I'm a plant pathologist working in a public research station funded by the Swiss government. And my main interest is the control of soil-borne diseases in berry crops, vegetable crops, greenhouse crops. I'm interested in the control of soil-borne diseases, and in Switzerland we have just one chemical product that's still authorized. And anyway, I think it's not the right approach to use this kind of products. And the first time I heard of biofumigation 10 years ago from Italy, so I said this would be a nice method because it combines not only the control aspect, controlling soil-borne diseases, but also had other advantages of green manuring, like improve the soil structure, being a cover crop. So it's really something, this kind of global approach, not a single thing, but it's more a whole approach to a problem. I mentioned the problems I encountered during the 10 years. Because if you have a new method, the first thing was it's easy, you just grow mustard and then incorporate it, and then the problem is solved. And starting with that, then I realized it's not that easy in one way, and there are many problems, simple ones like getting the seed from Italy to Switzerland, for example, or having plants adapted. But then also the more complicated ones, like the farmers, the vegetable farmers, growers, they don't like it because it's cruciferous crops, and in Switzerland they grow a lot of cruciferous crops, so they have soil-borne diseases, so they're scared that they will increase, like clubroot. As in Italy, I think it's more used, where it comes from, it's more used to control solanaceous crops. So when you just go to another place, the conditions are different, and you cannot use a method when the farmers are opposed to use it. The fact that the chemical products disappear, and I would say the problem is increasing in general because we have a more intensive agriculture, so less space for crop rotation, other things like this, which can control it. I think it will still be important, but during this symposium we could see that it's not so easy as it seems, especially when you work with plants. And I think the future will be that there has to be more locally adapted research, like this was presented just before by Matthew Back. He said we do it now. He said what they already did in Australia, we do it here in England and Scotland to see how it fits to our conditions. And I think that's the future of biofumigation research.